Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn off dialing keypad sounds in our Samsung S22. Right now, when we go to our phone, when we type in, we have sounds and we don't want it. How to turn it off? We are going to settings, of course, here sounds and vibrations and system sound. Dialing keypad, by default sounds are on. Let's turn it off and let's check if it's now it's silent. Our phone only slightly vibrates because that option is on. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.